In this video I'm going to talk you through the new car detail on this Porsche Cayenne. As you can see, there's buffer trails and moderate to light swirl marks inflicted by the dealership. These need to be removed before applying any ceramic coating, otherwise you'll be locking in these defects. After masking all the delicate areas on the car, I start polishing using a 3-inch pad. I use this on the intricate areas and around the door. I then work my way around the outside of the door, as the 3-inch pads allow me to get close to the edges. I also use the 3-inch pad on this section of the door, as the 5-inch pad wouldn't be able to fit in the curve. After each stage of the polishing, the car is wiped down with an isopropyl alcohol to remove any oils left behind. This inspection light shows if there are any imperfections left in the paintwork. If there are any imperfections in the paintwork, this area will be machine polished again. For the larger areas of the car, I use the 5-inch pad. I work in about 12 by 12 inch areas. For the more intricate areas, a 1-inch pad is used by this small dual action polisher. Now the car has been polished, there are minimal defects in the paintwork. This is then wiped with an isopropyl alcohol in readiness for a ceramic coating. Now onto the final inspection of the car in the sunlight.